this coffee banter, that we have like what I call the rapid fire, where you're meant to actually kind of dodge the questions cleverly, because very rarely do people really answer them honestly, but I'm hoping that is not the case with you. So are you ready before we storm into it?
Yeah.
Because,
Bring it on.
Because I didn't think you were the type for me to continue gushing about your book and you accepting those compliments.
Yeah.
Because we all know the book is going to be supremely entertaining, and that's why we're all here. But it's not really about the book, is it? Twinkle.
That's it. Now you're dead. So please, before we go further, now that he's done this to me, I have to say a few things. We were in boarding school together, and he was constantly hungry for some reason. So he kept telling me to rob food from him, from the canteen, from everywhere. Finally, I got fed up. I said, why don't you run away? I can't rob any more food for you. And we were at the edge of the hill. So I said, roll down the hill. And Chickly Valley, take a boat from there, run away. He rolled down the hill. They caught him. They made him climb back. It took him 2 hours. And then they made him an example in the assembly. He was standing next to the principal as his fugitive. So,
and the principal said, will you do what this boy has done? Will you try and do it? And I was made into some kind of a guinea pig on that stage. It was the most humiliating experience of my life. And I was all of 12 years old, and I was, by the way, Amir, in the same school you shot Tare Zameen Par. So when I saw the film, I was a mess, because that same shot I have done, I sung that Ma song in my head right through those 4 days. That I was saying, "Tujhko pata hai na Ma, meri Ma, that how could you send me to bloody boarding school and torture your only child you had?" And I want to tell you, my father was on the top of that slope, that hill that you shot in. And when finally he came, I ran up, literally like a Hindi film heroine, into his arms, and I said, "Papa, I beg you, I'll never eat, take me back home." Because I was so traumatized because of her. She was really, she has scarred me, I'm telling you, right?
He wasn't traumatized. He's confessed. He was in love with me. I had a little mustache at that point. He used to look at it and say, "That's hot. I like that mustache."
I will slap you 377 times, Twinkle. Alright, okay. Alright. 3 things about you, Twinkle, that no one knows.
My other names could have been Sparkle and Sprinkle.
What? Yeah, I want to know about this name. Like, the pet name is Tina, the real name is Twinkle. What were you thinking?
Yeah. Now, and she's telling me, why don't you call your daughter Chinar? I said, you know what the nickname will be? This is my mom's idea. So, yeah, we don't ask her for names.
Clearly not. Clearly, at least we have to give full credit for originality.
Yeah.
Alright, so 3 things about you that no one knows. You said yes. 1.
2, my mother thinks my sister does everything better than me.
Okay.
She runs a house better. She's the Martha Stewart of India. What is the 3rd thing about me? I don't know, there isn't anything. Everyone knows everything now.
Your life is an open book, literally.
It is. It's an open book. We're going to open the book,
Yeah, you didn't have to explain that. That's right. Alright, okay. What does your husband have that other heroes don't?
A few extra inches. In height, perfectly.
Alright, size can shatter and matter. Alright. If you can ban one thing in this country, what would it be?
Maggie.
Man?
Maggie. Maggie, 2-minute noodles. We don't want them in our bedroom and we don't want them in our kitchen.
We know Amrita Singh started that ball rolling.
Yes, I know.
Alright, okay. I think Amir is going to leave the room. Alright. Which heroine should be cast according to you in Akshay's next movie?
Jaya Lalita, and they can do the Cape Crusader.
I'm not even reacting to that. That's my expression. Alright. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when I say the following? The porn ban.
Seriously, as a mom, I would be happy if they did, but as a citizen, I don't agree.
Okay. Article 377.
You can't marry a member of the same gender as you, but this is India, so you can marry a tree.
Yeah, that you can. That is apparently the truth. Twitter trolls.
Cockroaches, you spray hit, they come squirming out, and then you just kind of stamp on them happily.
That's what I brought into it. Alright, the stupidest question you've ever been asked in an interview, and don't make this about any question I've asked you.
Somebody actually asked me if I finished school, because apparently my name is Twinkle, so I don't think that my parents could spell or I could spell. So yeah, stupidest question.
That they didn't finish school?
Have I finished school?
Alright. Who's your first celebrity crush?
No one.
No one?
No.
No? Not enamored by anyone?
No.
Okay. A person you think who deserves their own reality show?
Radhe Ma, I'm obsessed.
Yeah, currently she is quite the national obsession. 3 things no one knows about your husband, Akshay Kumar.
He cries during movies, just like Amit. And he wears checkered pajama suits like a British gentleman. And
Really?
yeah, every night.
You wear checkered pajama? I thought you were more shorts kind of thing.
No. And the very rare occasions that he does get drunk, he sings songs like Mainu Visa Dila De Dubai Da. I've never heard that song ever. Mainu Visa Dila De Dubai Da.
Mainu Visa Dila De Dubai Da?
He sung this song.
Alright. Okay. What would you do if you woke up as the following people? If you woke up as Ranbir Kapoor?
I wouldn't speak because the cat's got my tongue.
What would you do if you woke up as Deepika Padukone?
I would do everything. It's my choice.
Alright. What would you do if you woke up as Narendra Modi?
Hey, I'll get in trouble with it. I would make Akshay Kumar sports minister.
What would you do if you woke up as Rahul Gandhi?
I'd look for mummy. Okay, I want to ask. What would you do if you woke up as Mayawati?
Shade. If you found the following people's phones, what would be the most controversial thing on it? Hrithik Roshan.
He's my neighbor. I can look out of my window. I don't have to look at his phone to see things.
Amir Khan.
Pictures of naked aliens for research purposes.
Alright, well done. I don't know if you win the hamper, but you definitely win something. Yeah, you win.